Welcome to the eBay tutorial, where you will learn how to buy something from eBay. Buying on eBay is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of the platform and its features. First, you need to create an account on eBay. If you already have an account, simply log in with your username and password. If not, click on the register button and fill in the required information. Once you are logged in, you can start searching for the item you want to buy. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the name of the item or a keyword related to it. You can also use the advanced search option to filter your results by price, location, and condition of the item. When you find the item you want to buy, click on it to view the listing page. The listing page contains detailed information about the item, including its description, price, and shipping details. Make sure to read the description carefully and check the seller's ratings and reviews to ensure you are buying from a reputable seller. If you are satisfied with the item and the seller, you can proceed to buy it. Click on the Buy It Now button to purchase the item immediately, or place a bid if the item is up for auction. If you choose to bid, you will need to enter your maximum bid amount and confirm your bid. The bidding process typically lasts for several days, and the highest bidder wins the item. After you have purchased the item, make sure to complete the checkout process. You will need to provide your payment and shipping information, and confirm your order. eBay accepts various payment methods, including PayPal, credit cards, and bank transfers. Make sure to choose a payment method that is secure and convenient for you. Once you have completed the checkout process, wait for the seller to ship the item to you. You can track the status of your order on the eBay website and contact the seller if you have any questions or concerns. Finally, when you receive the item, make sure to inspect it carefully and contact the seller if it is not as described. You can also leave feedback for the seller to help other buyers make informed purchasing decisions. By following these steps, you can buy something from eBay easily and securely. Remember to always read the listing description carefully, check the seller's ratings and reviews, and complete the checkout process to ensure a smooth transaction.